Good morning, everybody. Actually, it's not a good morning for me so far. It's a nice crisp morning, about 55. I got a couple layers on because this is usually too cold for me. I'm heading out to meet up with some buddies for a group ride. I usually don't do group rides, but with these guys I will ride anytime. As you can see, I just crossed an exit ramp and I'm getting back on the highway because just before I started recording, I had my bag on my backpack or whatever you call it, and I guess I didn't tie it down well enough, so it kind of slid off, and was hanging down by the rear wheel, and the rear wheel chewed it up pretty good. So it's a bag that I love because it's very sturdy. I've traveled all over the world with it, and I just ruined it. So my morning is starting out less than great. But I'm on the way to get a haircut, and then I'm going to meet up with the boys, and we'll do some real scenic riding out in the sticks of Greenville, Westerlo, out that Coxsackie, maybe Catskill, somewhere out there. Today's going to be beautiful, almost 80-degree day, so it's not going to be chilly the whole day. But yeah, so I'm not going to have a vocal vlog or a verbal vlog. I'm going to basically just introduce the video, and then the next clip is going to be us riding already to just some music playing and just enjoying the beautiful New York falls, which are very colorful and very nice. Alright, enjoy the video, guys.